welcome to GIS Basics. This video is going to be about how to convert degree, minutes and seconds to degree decimal. Okay, so here we have two datas that I got just from internet. So you will have to copy that degree sign. We will use it later. So just for now, just copy that sign. Okay, so after that just select the whole data and go to data and text to column. Okay, so leave it as it is. We are just separating degree, minutes and seconds. Okay, so in order you will have to paste the degree sign you copied earlier, and here you can see in the preview it will show how it's gonna turn. So the degree is separated, so now it's turned for minutes. So repeat the same process, just select the minutes sign and just go to data and text to column as we did earlier. So the process is same. Okay, I think you are getting the thing. For changing this data to degree decimals, first we have to separate, so that's what we are doing. So the minute is also separated. Now the remaining numbers are just seconds, so we will have to remove these unwanted things. If you have lesser data, then you can just manually do it, or if you have larger number of data, then let me show you how to do it. Okay, so if you have larger number of data, so just go to that search button and type replace. Okay, not this one, sorry, let me give me a minute, and okay, type replace, and you can see that and just select replace. Okay, now we will just replace that second sign with nothing, so it will remove it. Okay, so repeat the same process with n. So everything is done. Degrees, minute and seconds are separated. Let's just make some room. We will be needing that. Okay, so just ignore this hour because I mistakenly just type that. Okay, so we will have to convert this minute to degree. So for that we will have to just divide minute by 60. Okay, like we do to convert minute to hour. So the process is same. Drag it down, and for seconds it's just divide the value of seconds by 3600. Okay, so now we have all the datas in degrees. So the last thing we have to do here is just add them up. Okay, so just add these three and you will get the final value. So this is how we get decimal degrees from our sorry my degrees, minute and second value. So in this way you can do it. I think I made this thing very clear in this video. If any problem occurs, then please don't hesitate to ask questions in comment box below. Thank you.